Okay, let's get this party started. Hey Joel, how you doing, buddy? SSNT, Ed, yeah, I called that out, didn't I? And it's absolutely motoring right now. I've just taken a trade with iPoint. You know what? I'm just gonna put this. Rates below 31.50. I'm 13.50. Well, that took off. Missed it. Hope you managed to get it, Ed. I did call it out in the Discord, but I've missed it. Bullish pennant formation, maybe. Looking for the retest of $13. It's 1281, 1285. I'm in at 94, so you want to go back over 13 and new high there would be nice. $12.78. Current high of day $13.95. So yeah, a new high of day would be nice. 97.13. Come on, bring the bid with you. We'll put $12 on the ass. Take the bid with you. Come on. No, 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 no. I've just made a massive cock up here, haven't I? What a brat. Yeah, what a brat. What am I doing? I'm just trying to blow up my account, that's what I'm trying to do. What a moron. Alright. Take a deep breath, Tony. Alright, okay. We can get that back. There's momentum today. There's a lot of momentum today. What's going on with Hot 8? Reverse stock split maybe? All right, SPAC merger. So Hot 8 is just they've just announced a business SPAC merger which goes live today. So they merged with USBTC. Slow and steady, yeah. I went. Yeah. Needs to be slow and steady. Now you tell me, Alistair. Got you as well. It got me a lot. But there you go. It's Monday. What do you expect? So that's started off so well. No, well done, Ian. I'm down about 2 times gold. Exactly. Exactly. Had a good day on Friday, not so good today. Well, not a good start. We've got time. This time. Didn't want, what I don't want to be doing is creating a big drawdown that I can't recover from. So, you know, we did start okay on Friday. 8k. We're 8k behind on the month. There seems to be good movement. That's exactly where. That's the best way I can think about it, Ian. Do you know what? I like it. I like the way you're thinking. Yeah, not a bad weekend in sport. Newcastle won, so I was obviously happy for you, Alistair. Nothing to do with the fact that you beat the Scum. 50 drop point, and we came from behind again to win. 1-0 doesn't tell the story, does it, Alistair? I was watching that game, and it was like men versus boys. It was horrible to. Well, it wasn't. It was actually really good to watch, but horrible for any Man United supporter watching that for sure. Okay. Bit of a weak catalyst for that pot. Morning, Earth and Honey. Hope you're well. Started off trading live in the Discord this morning and nobody turned up. Are you all asking to trade live? I started off at like 7:30, nobody turned up. I'm like, okay, made 2.5k and then gave it back and plus change. As soon as I turned this one on. Nice range on this, 82 cents. Breads are not bad actually for what it is. I want to see it start to make another move back up, that'd be nice. Give me some money back. Yeah, well, you know, my old school team could probably beat United at home at the moment. Eric Tenpence can't beat a decent team away. He's not beat a team that's been residing in the top 9 of the Premier League since he joined the club away from home. Yeah. Not enough volume. I'm just looking at what. Why would he cut the head? You can get someone to do it. Well, that's true. He is tall. Oh, ish. What is he, 6'4"? Havana. Making moves up. Not a great volume. Havana gains after shaking free of JP Morgan Burkle. Not seeing any net new catalyst for Havana either. No, it's not that much taller than you, Alistair. That's what I'm saying, it's not that much taller. It's a big difference between 6'1" and 5'11". You're more likely to get a date on Tinder if you're 6'1" than you are if you're 5'11". Just saying. Yeah? Hey, Stone Cold. Do you know what? I've not even weighed myself since I got here. I just know that a lot of the shorts I used to wear, I have to wear a belt with. That's all I know now. Yeah, Jeff Brand's moving again. Spreads on the 30 cents on the spread. Jeff Brand did this last week on Friday, where it popped up and then dropped back down again, bit of a pop and drop. Went up to all, $7 something pre-market on Friday. Very similar kind of move. Oh, I can't believe that. Right. This is mad. I'm expecting that to move back up. On the VWAP. Do you know what? I'm locking my montage after this if I can't get out of it. If I can't trade my way out of this, I'm locking my montage. Can't afford a massive red to start the month. It's a catastrophe of a day. Going in big when at the wrong time. Don't get me out. Bloody going without me here. Why am I not getting filled? Alright. Next new long gone. What am I doing today? I'm just gonna have to knock this on the head. It's not right. My head's not with it. Even if I get out of this, I'm just gonna knock it on the head. Yeah, I'm getting out. But just YOLO and go all in. Not gonna harm. No volume either. Yeah. Yeah, that's me done on the day. I've had an absolute nightmare today. I'm going to just concentrate on the competition, I think. Let's pop that open. All right, traders launch. I hope you've all got your logins and passwords for the competition. Okay, let's do a little tutorial, shall we? Instead. Okay, so this is the Traders Launch platform. No, it's not that. It's not that super cheap. It's when it moves really quick and I'm in too big. That's the mistakes I've made this morning. And this is the risk that you take trading pre-market. If you're trading pre-market, it's lower liquidity, lower volume, so the moves can happen really quickly. And there's no volatility halts. There's no stop losses. So that's the problem with trading pre-market. It's not about holding on in hope. It's like, okay, well, is there going to be a bounce here? Am I going to get a reversal or whatever it is? So I'm trying to look for a signal that I can actually trade my way out of it, and then end up digging my way deeper into a deeper hole. That's what it is, Super Chip. Not nothing to do with holding on in hope. Hey, look. We had a big loss last month like that, and we came back from it. So I'm not saying we'll get that back today, but look, we're let's look at this Traders Launch web GUI, shall we? So okay, workspace consists of windows and panels. A little bit of a minute away from the market as well might help me. Additional workspace actions. Workspace lock, close workspace, link windows by color. Okay, so this is very similar to POS or mouse trading. Okay, so I'll have a play around with this. If you've not played around with it yet, I'm just getting mine set up now. So okay. Okay. Okay, so it's this. Here's a list of everything that we can trade today, this week on this. Okay, so there's quite a lot there. It's not just the top. It's not just the S&P 500. There's some smaller stocks in. It's not everything. There are some smaller stocks in there as well. Lower price stocks there. Okay. So that's the. At least to know what's going on with that. Okay. There we go. Now, let's not put any I'll get that back today nonsense on it. I might get some of it back today, but I'm not saying I'm going to get. How often do I have a 30k day? I'm at 30k in the hole now, so how often do I have a 30k day? It's not every day that I set myself a goal of 6k. So if I get 6k back, 10k back, I'll settle for that. But I've got to be realistic as well. So I've got my traders launch set up. Everything that popped big just literally popped and dropped. So I've got something to distract me from at the open at least. Why does that look weird on that screen? It just feels weird on that screen. Just moving some of the things around on my workspace, and it just feels weird on the wrong workspace. That's another pop and drop. Alright, okay, I'm ready for the open. We've only got 50 minutes to wait. Morning, Virgo. Yeah, I don't know about that. Bitcoin surging again. I was reading the crypto-related companies are trading higher amongst the surge in the price of Bitcoin. And this is down to CZ getting arrested. But he's not been charged, I don't think. Well, he has been charged. I think he's admitted his guilt. But I don't know if that's bullish. I think that was more bearish than bullish. But, like, what stock did I trade earlier? Jeff Brands, SNS, JFBR, SSNT, EYPT, and ATHE are the tickets. So you can see them there on the P&L there. Don't go. I shouldn't come out swinging on a Monday. I never learn my lesson. Mondays are not my days. Normally I don't have as big a loss as this on a Monday, but we'll go again. Just withdrawn as well. It's going to really hurt my balance. I started at 7:30 CC, but yes, we start at 8 every morning. Hey, look, I've had worse. About 80k. 82. Started the day with 114. Yeah, I had a good run on ATHE, and then I got in for 1,000 shares of because the spreads are like 50 cents on EYPT, and it pulled back too far, so I ended up losing $2 on it, $2.50. And then I got caught on Jeff Brands and SSNT for about the same amount. I'm going to trade in the simulator later instead. All relative flip jug. Live by the sword, die by the sword. Super Chip, you know you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. I had a good week last week. I had a really good week last week, and that started poor. I had a 5-figure losing day on Monday last week as well. So, but it turned it around and finished really well. Recommendation on a good laptop there, Super Chip? Well, it depends on your preference. This is a very subjective question. It really does depend on your preference. But any good gaming laptop, so go for a brand, don't go for an off-brand one unless you're building it yourself and you know what you're doing. But I got a HP Pavilion laptop. It's a gaming laptop. And HP, Asus, Dell, any decent brand laptop will do if it's a game. It's built for gaming. Yeah, for a bit of a pop and drop morning, and I've been catching the drop rather than the pop. But that can change. It only takes one stop. Only takes one stop. Yeah, ouch, ouch indeed. I feel like ET. Ouch. I withdrew on Friday. It's one of the reasons I closed it down early on Friday, because I've submitted my forms for withdrawal. So I withdrew on Friday. And when you withdraw from them, they take it off your balance straight away, but it doesn't clear straight away. It doesn't get processed straight away. So I could have, in effect, cancelled that withdrawal and I'll go back on my account tomorrow. J-Cat, it is what it is. I went in too big on big moves, big spread, massive range, and I got stung. Greedy. Natural gas. Have a look at Boyle. So no, actually, natural gas is only down 5%. It's down at the moment. But are you thinking it's a bad investment? Well, from a day trade point of view, I wouldn't recommend day trading commodities anyway. But natural gas has been at a premium for 2 years now. Well, a little, yeah, 2 years. So, well, almost 2 years. Natural gas has been at a premium for almost 2 years. So, the gas coming out of Russia all went sky high as a result of the Ukraine conflict, and it never came down. And we know that that's all a massive con. To put it into context, when I was living in Dublin, I was with a company called Airtricity, which is green energy. So they provide, and they make a big thing about selling green energy, renewable energy. So they made a big thing about selling you electricity based on green energy. And most of the power stations in Ireland that are not green energy are run on gas. So with the hike in gas, then came the hike in electricity prices. And of course, electricity put the price up commensurate with everybody else. And I'm like, well, hang on a minute. There's a shortage of gas coming out of Russia as a result of the Ukraine crisis. Is there a shortage of wind coming out of Russia as well? Because that just makes no sense. But there you go. Hey, Tang. You can ask, if you're getting it new, you can actually request what type of keyboard you want there, Super Chip. If you're getting it, you can change your keyboard. I mean, it's easy enough to change a keyboard. But you don't need a flashy keyboard. You do need a backlit keyboard. But I recommend the backlit keyboard, because if you're doing any kind of poor lighting work, you need a backlit keyboard. No, but that's what I'm saying, Flip. It's all a con. It's one big Ponzi scheme. Tang, no stop losses pre-market. That's one of the risks you take trading pre-market, because there are no stop losses. Stop loss is a stop loss is essentially a market order, and for a market order to execute, it needs an open market. So the pre and post hours trading, you can't use stop loss. There are no safety nets. There's no volatility halts. There's when the SEC. There's no stop losses. So it's got to be mental stops. And I did try to get out of one, and it went without me. So I placed my sell order, my limit sell order, and it went without me. It moved that quick, and that was a bit of a painful event. Oh, that's about base hits. Going back to basics. Base hits. Resistance at the whole $1.08 and resistance at the VWAP, the whole kind of confluence of resistance here. That'll freak me out with the movement of the chart. Way too big for this. What are you watching? Well, this is Silver Sun Technology. SSNT is the ticker, and I'm having an absolute nightmare this morning. I think back over the $0.50, and this takes the VWAP. Below the 9, I think it's done. Bit of a dead cat. This looks like it was a bit of a dead cat. Getting out. Let's have a look at what else is moving, because I'm locking a montage. I'm not trading anymore today on this at all. Okay, I've got to recognize when I'm not at it, and I'm not at it today. So I'm just going to concentrate on the competition at 9:30 instead. So we'll yeah, Surveilco, you're probably better off doing that at the moment. Although you'd be lucky to the short MRSN on short sale restriction. And I'm not long in anything right now. I'm just I'm gonna lock that up and start again tomorrow. Monday never disappoints, does it? Yeah, I'm terrible on Mondays. That's last Monday. What was my loss last Monday? It was November. Yeah, we finished a little over 10k down on Monday last week. Yeah, well, look, I'm not giving up cash. I'm just putting it down to a look. If I've locked the montage, so I'm kind of writing today off, and we'll go at it again tomorrow. I've got a drawdown to recover from. So we had a 38k drawdown a couple of weeks ago that we came back from and finished above goal on the month. So it's early days in December. We had a nice strong 8k day on to start the month. Look, we've got a little bit of work to do. That's what we've got to do now. So we've created a little bit of a hill for us to climb to reach the annual goal for December. But we can do it. We're not. Only takes one stop, one move. I mean, SSNT went from $367 up to $14. If I put on a 5-minute chart, if I got in for like $650 this morning and rolled that up to 14 with 5,000 shares, I'd be at annual goal already probably. Yeah, I can have a look at Hut 8. There you go. There's Hut 8. Not great volume. The reason it's up, there's not a lot of opportunity at the moment with Hut 8 mining. The reason it's up this morning is it's completed the SPAC merger. So it's involved in it. It's effectively it's a new company, but it's still under the Hut 8 Mining Corporation. But I've had a business merger, so under the new venture, under the new guys, we've submitted new paperwork to the SEC, and you can see this on the 15 how up it is and all these lines, how it's gapped up from $2.27 to $12. That's not a natural gap up. That's the business merger combination there. That's it's now priced up at $12. Yeah, so Coinbase has moved up with the pump in. Coinbase moved up with the pump in Bitcoin, which is largely down to CZ getting arrested. So CZ's turned himself in. A little red in the morning to wake me up. There's nobody traded in the traders launch competition yet, Robin, because it doesn't start for another half an hour. So I've got, I'm not going to be trading live. I'm going to shut it down at about 25 past, just before the bell. I'm going to concentrate on the traders launch competition. So everybody should have got the logins by now. Let me know. Email me directly if you haven't. Contact me directly. No, SPY is still very bullish. So look at this on the daily. So look at that. It's consolidated. So it had a really good day on Friday. Got up to what very close to yesterday, 459.10 on Friday. 459.65 is where it went up to a high of. And closed at 459.10. 459.69 or 65 was a new high for the year. So 459.44 was the previous 2023 high. So now we're at 456. We're pulled back off that high, but we're still within that median, still around the median line. We're not nowhere near bearish. We're very bullish at the moment overall. So if you look at this this channel here, this is the bull market channel that we're in now. The bear market bottomed out here, and we've been bull market since. We did pull out, but since the start of November, we've been nothing but bullish. We're back at the median line, and we've had a new high of year on Friday. So pulling back on the high of year on Friday is kind of normal. Will it continue to sell off? That's okay. How far it sells off, you know, once you reach a new high, expect a little bit of a pullback before the continuation. Yeah, dude. Just, oh yeah, it's still way up. And the NASDAQ pretty much the same, very similar story. Yeah. Morning, Rob. Morning by the dip. Yeah, I think today's going to be a short stream. So smash that thumbs up button. I've locked my montage. I'm not giving anything else back. I've dug a big hole, and I need to take a step away from this platform and just move on to the Traders Launch platform, which looks a bit like this. This is the Traders Launch platform. So this is what we'll be competing in. So take it easy. We've got 4 days. Top 3 performers will get a funded account challenge from Trader to get a challenge to get a fully funded account from Traders Launch. Yeah, Ate is at Liz. Ate is at 512 at the moment, underneath the VWAP. VWAP's at 6. So I'll. No, they don't have Ate. none of the big movers this morning are featuring on this at the moment. But that's what traders launch. This is what the traders launch platform looks like. Quantities here, buy, sell. You can short, you can long, whatever you need to do. So, if you've not registered for the Traders Launch competition, I don't think registration's open anymore, but you can give it a try. If I win the challenge, I'll give it away. I just want to compete with you guys. I don't think I'll be, you know, taking a funded account challenge. Oh yeah, they've got Coinbase. I'm pretty sure. Got Riot and Mara, so Coinbase. There you go. Loading data for Coinbase. Yeah, I don't like the platform very much, but it's for the purpose of the competition. It'll be a bit of fun. I'm not. Let me see. That's a bit strange. It looks like it's streaming. Let me just see what it looks like on Twitch. Yeah, it's live on Twitch. The comments aren't restreaming. I don't know what you mean by the comments aren't all right, from YouTube to Twitch. Okay, well, there's not a lot I can do about that, unfortunately. I don't. Sorry about that. Flip jug. Yeah, there's you can set up multiple time frames, but I'm just kind of looking at. I'll have a play with this in a little second, and mouse trading. Turn that off for now. Okay, well, that is the platform, so good luck if you are taking part. I'm sure we will all have a great time. Go back to yourself, Liz. It's under $5 now, way under the VWAP. Still up 190% though. So let's put that into perspective. We'll see. I'm going to wait till the bell. We'll see what happens. Let's see if I can't get, oh my good lord. Not paying attention, and look at that. Man, I've blocked my montage. So I'm not going to trade anymore until I'm feeling like it's worth doing. So right now, I don't want to throw good money after bad. Sometimes it's just not your day. Sometimes you've got to recognize that you're not on it and just take the hit and walk away. And if you can do that, then it's about protecting your equity. There's always another day. There's always another trade. There's always, come back tomorrow and I might have a 50K day tomorrow. I'm not going to have a 50K day-to-day trading like this. So I need to... I need to just be a little bit mindful. So what I'll probably do is I'll look at the first 15 minutes on the Traders Launch platform and see what's happening there, and then trade with somebody else. Trade in the simulator with Traders Launch rather than wasting my own money, and then come back maybe a bit later in the day and see if I can't make a little bit back. If this breaks $9, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to take a position. At 9:16, the market's not even opened yet, so let's see what happens, guys. We've got 12.5 minutes till the open. Be patient. And like, would I do as I say, not as I do? Be patient, guys. Good stuff, Cade. Good stuff. Everybody that's ready for the competition, I've just been going over the platform, having a look at the platform, play around with it, get used to it today. It is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't be going all out just because it's not real money. 75 to hide this pivot. Quarter half on whole dollars. 75. Yeah. Level there at 75, 875. Well, I'm just not on it at all today. That's for sure. What's the max shares? You can buy as many shares as you want, providing you can afford them there, Ukulelean. But manage your risk. I think that's going to be the key, because a lot of you guys are just going to lump in there with maximum buying power and get stopped out and lose your account within the first day. So just be patient. I think patience is going to win you the prize. I know I did get in, but it broke $9 and said if it breaks $9, it's looking super bullish. I'm going to get a piece. So I got in small at $9, and then it pulled back and made a new high. Nice bullish setup off the 9 EMA. So I decided to add to the position, and then I did the same thing again. We'll see what happens. You're absolutely cast. Don't go full Tony. Trade as if it's your own account. Five minutes to the bell. 5 minutes till the market opens. Well, it's kind of sticking to the 9 at the moment. is at 846. Ask is at 860. Well, the thing is, if you want to do a funded account challenge, I'll tell you how to do it, and it's to do it slowly. Trying to get funded, you pass one of these funded account challenges within 7 days, you're risking too much. It's to do it slowly, make a couple of $100 a day. If you can make, you know, $300-400 a day, you'll pass it in the course of 2-3 weeks, and that's what they want. They want somebody that's going to manage risk. Three minutes till they open. Above the VWAP, this is bullish. Nice, we know. The VWAP's a great intraday trend indicator. Current sentiment is bullish. As soon as it breaks below, it becomes bearish. VWAP currently at just over $8. $8 and a penny. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, Strawweb. Still within structure right now. That spell's about to sound off, guys. Good luck. Happy hunting. Stock's in place now. You can play. That's me done for the day. Big loss. Big drawdown. Okay, I'm going to switch over to the competition. So I'm going to end the stream and a little bit depressed, but we'll come back tomorrow and we'll be happy again. You know how it works. Okay, put this behind me as a bad day, but I will see you all tomorrow at 8 o'clock.